Take a look at this. This is not a houseplant, but it's one of the most sophisticated air filters we have ever created. But here's the bad news first. There's two types of contaminants in our air, and although traditional air filters are very good at catching the first one, the second one, something known as volatile organic compounds, do not get filtered out. This is particularly bad news because things like aerosols or cleaning supplies that you're using in your home, or even the things that your furniture is made out of, constantly produce those volatile organic compounds. And the scientists behind Neoplant wanted to change that. They were inspired by some studies done by NASA that showed that humble houseplants can be really good at filtering out those VOCs. You see, this is not your average plant nursery. Scientists conducted a series of studies to pick the right plant, and it came up that this guy named Pothos was the best at air filtration. But they went a step further. In order to identify the genes in plants that make them particularly good at air filtering and increase the expression of those genes by something called directed evolution. This means that every plant you see here has been grown from a single plant cell that has been engineered and selected specifically for those qualities. But there's another thing lurking here. You see, just like there's billions of bacteria that cover your skin and things like your gut and help you function, so are plants. They're not just one organism, they're just an ecosystem of lots of different ones. And the scientists behind Neoplants have created custom bacteria, something they call power drops, which have been shown to be over 9 times more effective at removing some of the nastiest contaminants in your air than just normal houseplants. So what do you think? Would you add this to your plant list?